Thank you, everyone. Great, thank you. I'll eat again one banana. Every day I will eat one banana. This is my banana yesterday. So guys, kain muna tayo ng saging. Yeah, banana. You also guys, you know, for man also, you need to eat banana every day. It's good for this vitamin D. Yeah, it's vitamin D. Sometimes my niece is weak, so they told me I have to eat banana and one day at least 2 or 1. So that's why I will eat banana. Good for health, yeah. So banana guys, let's eat first. The banana skin is fiber-rich food. Oh, we can eat it. No, I think. So guys, let's eat at least one banana in one day. Oh, it's very soft here, so I have to eat it. No need to wait until tomorrow. AGR, Greg, Gago, Daddy George, let's eat banana. It's yellow banana, not black, not white. Yeah, this bite. First bite, it's for Greg. That's it. Second bite, it's for AGR. Greg done. Third is for Daddy George. Ouch. And this for Jaden. For my super chat, thank you so much, Jaden. Even Papa Jimbo not here and Jim, I will write for them. This is for Papa Jimbo. I like. The last bite is for Jim. Big bite for super chat. Yeah, but the down it's black. I don't know who's the last. See the last. Ay, Lala Precious. For Jim. Thank you, Labs. So I have to. Okay. The last is Mr. Cucumber Shockson. I'll bite not all because here it's have damage. Wow. Daddy George, thank you so much. All of you, it's I give you its bite. It's my lady Melon's family, Pina's family. The banana is for all of us. Hello, Precious. That is her main channel, Manay